And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is one of the latest GQuuuuuux HG line model kits released. We have here the White Gundam. Of course, it retains the old coding, which is the RX78-02. Of course, a Granddad Gundam, but of course, reimagined from another universe, so that's why it looks like that. And so what you can see on the box art, we have the White Gundam there, fighting badass, and of course, it's the white base. Napak ko lang. I don't know. But yep, as you can see, RX78-02 White Gundam, the White Devil from the original timeline, but this is an imagined or reimagined timeline for GQuuuuuux. Okay, and off to the side, of course, we see the White Gundam, actions that you can do with it, some of the weapons that you can do with it, or it has action poses, and of course, the gimmicks that it has. So, of course, the rifle, the bazooka, and of course, the shield, the very iconic shield is there. Off to the side is, yes, front and back of the White Gundam from GQuuuuuux. We can pick it, of course, and yep, that's all that we have for the information. And opening up and seeing what's inside the box, of course, we can see one bag with blue, gray, and of course the standard Gundam colors here. And we do have a tiny, tiny transfer sheet, I guess. Yeah. Off to the other side, sorry, not the other side, the other bag, we still have that yellow Gundam yellow, the white, and of course the gray for polytops. Polytops, why it has polytops, never mind. Another bag for the multicolored sprue for white and the mid sabers, and here we go. Here comes of course stickers, which is lots of it. Right. And lastly, we cannot forget the instruction manual. There we have it, the White Gundam, and yes, in this timeline, in the GQuuuuuux timeline, it's not Amon Ray who piloted it, but it was stolen by, yes, of course, Char himself. Yes, that's the alternate timeline. So, sorry, I forgot to say spoilers ahead. If none of you have viewed or watched the anime GQuuuuuux, but I guess that's very, very, unlikely since it's already a couple of months before it ended. The first part, that is. Okay, so, and of course, we have here, the painting guide, some of the action poses you can do with it. Okay, so let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Right, so first off, we have here is the A sprue, which is a multicolored sprue of blues, mainly dark gray and red. I do see some parts that are retained from the Red Gundam. I think so. Next is the B sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue again. We have that Gundam red, that Gundam yellow, the white, and then that. And yep. Looking at it, some parts of it are part of rather, has that color of the Red Gundam or sprue of the Red Gundam. I don't think so, but maybe. And here it is. We have the C sprue, which is all of the weapons. And then we have the D sprue, which is all white. That's for the shield. The E sprue here is all yellow, so some parts of the shield is there, and of course the thrusters, I guess. And going back to the F sprue, which is all white again. Maybe seeing some hints of the Red Gundam here, I'm not sure. We have an I sprue here, which is all blue. We have some polycaps and some beam saber effects here. And lastly, we have the foil stickers. So many foil stickers, so I guess it's either you can choose the ice blue red or blue, I guess. Yeah, maybe. And a very small transfer sheet, though I'm not really sure what this is for. But yeah, it's there. So again, this is the White Gundam RX-78-2 from the GQuuuuuux universe, which is an alternate timeline. Alternate timeline where again, yeah, Char was the one who piloted the White Gundam and stole from the Federation. And there you go, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the latest of the HG Mobile Suit Gundam G-Quacks 1 of the 144 line, the White Gundam RX-78-02. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, you like the videos, sharing the videos, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.